To add your PC Optimum card to Apple Wallet, start by making sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, which can be found on the home screen or in a folder. If you cannot find the Wallet app, you can swipe down from the middle of the screen and type Wallet in the search bar. Tap on the Wallet app to open it. Once the Wallet app is open, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Add to Apple Wallet screen. From here, you will need to find the PC Optimum card, which can be done by scrolling down and selecting the Other Passes option. Alternatively, you can use the search function at the top of the screen to find the PC Optimum card by typing in PC Optimum. After selecting the PC Optimum card, you will be prompted to open the PC Optimum app or visit the PC Optimum website to add your card to the Wallet app. If you do not have the PC Optimum app, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the PC Optimum app open, sign in to your PC Optimum account and navigate to the section that allows you to add your card to the Wallet app. You will be asked to enter your PC Optimum card number and other details to verify your account. After entering your details, you will be prompted to add your PC Optimum card to the Wallet app. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button to complete the process. Your PC Optimum card will now be added to the Wallet app, allowing you to earn and redeem points at participating stores using your iPhone. To use your PC Optimum card, simply open the Wallet app, select your PC Optimum card, and hold your iPhone near the payment terminal to earn or redeem points. You can also add your PC Optimum card to Apple Watch by opening the Watch app on your iPhone, selecting the Wallet and Apple Pay option, and tapping on the Add Card button. By following these steps, you can easily add your PC Optimum card to Apple Wallet and start earning and redeeming points using your iPhone or Apple Watch.